Today we're going to try to show you some budget-friendly tips to get these closets organized. I'm Katie Duluth and I'm the owner of Wizard of Homes NYC. Step 1 is to declutter. When you're first clearing out your closet, break out your clothes into 4 piles. Figure out what you're gonna keep, toss, donate, store away for the next season. When you first start reorganizing your closet, try to have a short budget in mind. For this closet, we set a max budget of $250. And that means matching hangers, hanging shelves, a few of these plastic boxes. Try to find a better way to use this space. Figure out what the sizes are, what the measurements are, and have a short plan of what goes where. You could put hanging shelves there. Is there a place where you could put boxes and you can store things in there? This lady has beautiful hats and we are going to put them on a wall. They're going to become beautiful pieces of art. Once you have decided on the things that you are going to keep, you are going to have to organize those things by the categories that make sense in your closet. Long sleeves, sweaters, work clothes, fun clothes, and especially all the colors from darker to light. We always recommend that you store away your off-season items. Good ways to store away your off-season items are to put them in the underbed storage or vacuum bags. Another thing that you're going to have to decide is what you're going to hang and what you're going to fold. Make sure you hang your dresses, blouses, and skirts. They get wrinkled and it's going to be difficult to get those out. Definitely fold your jeans, workout clothes, and your sweaters. Make sure that all your hangers are the same color. If your hangers are different colors, different sizes, different materials, it's just going to make it a very messy look. You want it all to be the same. And of course, if you're having trouble finding what is best for your closet, go to Yelp.com and find a company like Wizard of Homes to help you out. They deal with different closets every day. They can dream up a closet that you can't even imagine.